insert it on your website. There are two ways you can do this. One is by creating a separate page for it, just to make it special and more reliable, so that when they want to download the app, they know that they are downloading it from your website. Let's create a page and embed the app link. Go to pages. I want you to follow along as I'm doing this and you will get it right. So add new page. Let's add a new page. Name your page download. Now this is what will appear on the page when they want to download the app. You now say download our official app. Please ignore the warning. It is normal. Now you select this plus icon here, this block icon. You click on it, you add, you see buttons, add button, download. Now you just have to click on this icon. You will see it on your phone. Click on this icon, this link icon, click on it. Come to media library, click on the app, you copy URL to clipboard, copy it, come to the page and paste the link inside the link box. You paste it and press enter. That is it. Now let's make this a little bit more okay. Now centralize this text so that it will appear normal on your website, and also this box, centralize it to justify center. Click on it, you see this justify center. Now just click on publish. It has been published. If you already have a button on your home page or you want to add it, you can just come down here, create a section. You just have to do this, create a section and add a heading, then add another container. You can name this download our app, just like this one. You can just do a little bit design for this. When you done this, let's get Play Store icon. Let's download this one on my website. Play Store, and this, we'll add this here. We'll add image box here. Then come to this place and upload the Play Store icon we just downloaded. Here is it. You can see this is how it is. Now what you need to do next is add the link to this button. So you come to this link, custom URL, still the same file URL. Come back to media library and copy the link. Come back to your home page and paste it. When you paste it, you click on publish. So that is how you can do it to appear on your home page. So when they click on this Play Store icon, the app will download it directly. So let's test it out. This place and refresh the page. So here is it. When you click on this download, as you can see, it downloads automatically. This method will only work for those that have a laptop or a tablet that can access Elementor. Another method is just by sharing the link directly to your customers. If you want to paste it on your WhatsApp or anywhere, just copy the link and give anybody. When they click on the link will download automatically. You can add it in one of these buttons here. If you don't want to follow this method, you can add it here. that is it on how you can upload this app and make it appear on your website. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. In the next video, I will also show you how you can upload it to your cPanel and also follow the same method. Thank you for watching.